Good morning children, this is craft and children today you will make bookmark. Now children, craft does not mean only you have to do whatever it is given in Utsav book. Children, you have to do something different also. So today children we are going to make bookmark. For that children you need any two different different color of sheet. Any two sheet of different color and you have to cut two stripes of same size. You have to cut the stripes of same size. Two stripe of yellow color I have cut and two of blue color. Children, the length of your stripe, one stripe is 28 centimeter. The length of your one stripe is 28 centimeter and the width is 1 centimeter. All right, so you take two stripe of one color and two stripe of another color of the length 28 centimeter with the width 1 centimeter, and then you make it. Children, you can take any two color of sheet. Any two color of sheet you can take and you have to cut the stripes to make the bookmark. Children, also you take Fevicol and any decorative items. I have taken one pom-pom to decorate. Okay, now children, what we will do, how we will make. Now just see carefully. Children, first of all what we will do, we will paste it like this. Just see, we will paste it with the Fevicol like this. Just see. Okay, now again children we have to paste the yellow stripe. So how you are going to paste? Here, see, on this line children you have to paste. See, it will go straight like this. Okay, now again here also on this line children you have to paste here the second yellow stripe. See children, the line, keep it straight. Alright children, so this is the way how you have to paste. Just see, you have to keep this straight like this. Okay, now children what you have to do, you have to just fold it like this. On line only you have to fold it and you have to paste it. Now see, put Fevicol here and fold it on the line and paste. Again put Fevicol here, fold it and you paste it like this. Okay, now again, now you put the Fevicol on the blue one. The second step you have to put the Fevicol and the first one you have to fold. Fold it. Now again this side children. Like this children you have to continue it up till down children, you have to continue it. Again put the Fevicol on the second one here and the here, that is on yellow one, and again you put the first stripe, fold the first stripe on the line only. Children, you have to make sure you are folding on the line like this. This one again you fold. Children, remember we will not only do Utsav book, you have to do something different from the book. Okay, so don't only practice whatever it is given in Utsav book. Like this children you have to just continue. Now again children, in the second line you have to put the Fevicol and you have to fold the first stripe like this, and here again fold it like this. Okay, now again children put Fevicol on the second color sheet or stripe, whatever you have taken, and you fold it. And remember, you have to put the Fevicol on the second one, and the first stripe you have to fold and you have to paste it. Okay, all right, just see children. Now again, just you have to continue this. You have to continue this. Again, put the Fevicol on the second stripe and first one. You have to fold it. Okay, again put it on the second one and you fold the in the C, like this you have to make. Okay, this is how children you have to make the bookmark. Now children, you are in third class, you have to make something new, something different. Now don't only cut the paper and make the bookmark and so your work is complete. No, not at all. Children, try something new, learn something new, make something new. Now children, we will end here. This much big is enough. This is how many centimeter? This is 16 centimeter. It is approx 16 centimeter. So this much is enough to complete the bookmark. Now children, what you have to do, you have to just cut it like this. All right, see. Now just see children, very creative, very simple and very easy. Children, you can also take your rough page and you can make and you can practice. This is very easy children. You have to just keep it simple, very neat and clean, and you have to make this bookmark. Now children, you can put any ribbon also, you can decorate it with any decorative items. But children, I'll only simply put one pom-pom here because a craft work should be neat and clean, simple, neat and clean. So what I will do, I'll just simply put one pom-pom here and my bookmark is ready. And my bookmark is ready. Alright children, same way you have to just leave it to dry and your bookmark is ready. Children, all of you try to make this at home. Children, very important, after making your this bookmark, you keep it in your craft book. Don't throw it here and there, because whatever you will make in craft, you have to keep it in your craft book. And also at the back small you write your name. Also at the back small you write your name. So at the back I have written my name, that is Khushbu. So at the back you also write your name and you keep your bookmark in the craft book safe.